Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here in the garage today, doing a little bit of goofing around. It is a windy and rainy and cold day. Not really, not rainy. It's starting to snow, but it is windy and cold outside. So I figured I'd keep it inside for today and do a little bit of goofing around. But before we get into doing any plinking, I have a mail call for you guys. Some of you guys might think this is a little bit boring, but I think there's some pretty cool stuff here. We have a good number of guns in the garage here that still need repairing, and I got some parts in for quite a few of them. So let's get into it. The first one is coming to me from uh, Air Rifle Headquarters. I've bought several things from them over the years, and they're a good source for a lot of good air gun parts. But I got my Ozark Trail Bug Buster, they some people call it, but this is really pretty simple stuff right here. But I've done a couple of these already, and you see we have two discs here, which should give you an idea what this is for. So this is a Diana, or actually it's not a Diana, but it is a Diana Model 10, but it is actually a high score Model M819, which has the Diana, they call it the GISS uh, recoil eliminating uh, system on there, which basically there's a piston that when you cock it, it pulls a piston back and it pulls a piston forward from the back. When you pull a trigger, the pistons go in opposite directions. I actually have a video already where I repaired my Model 6. So if you're interested in that, go back and check that out. But this is a Model 10, which is pretty cool. So you got a real long barrel compared to a Model 6, which gives you a nice long sight radius and a nice long barrel for the pellet to travel in. But so it has this really nice blade sight up front here. But when you try to cock it, that's pretty sharp. So you can actually take the barrel and flip it around up like that. And now it gives you a cocking surface to grab onto to then once you get it cocked, and then you can pull it trigger and away it goes. So that is the parts for that one. We'll get that one up and running. Thank you, Air Rifle Headquarters, for that. So now we have a little care package coming in from Crosman 600 Repair. Henry down there, great guy, great supporter of the channel. Got several kits in here. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is two kits in one bag. So we'll put that one aside for a second. So this one here is a seal kit for my. I got a mess going here. I don't have enough room for everything. This is my new with its original box. Beautiful shape. I don't think doesn't look like it's hardly ever been used. I just think because it was so old and just sitting around that everything wore out inside of it. But we have a nice Crosman Model 150 from the way back when, probably the 1950s or 1960s. If anybody knows, based on this box, what the date range on that might be, I would really appreciate that information. Let me see if it has anything on this piece of paper that was included with it here. So some of the literature in here says that's the new Pell gun pistol. So these came out in the like the mid 50s. So if the literature is saying it might be an early production one. Not that really matters. We'll get that guy rebuilt. And so now we have a pair of, so this is actually a pair of rebuild kits for two different guns. that were sent over to me by Randy. Actually, the high score here is Randy's gun as well. But the first one is a early model 140, and 140 is a 22 caliber gun, and this one has the spoon uh, bolt handle, or another early thing. This one doesn't work at all. I think it's the valve is locked on it. I think every time I pump it, I'm just making more and more pressure in there, so it's going to be dangerous to take apart. But so I'm not sure what's going on with that one. And then he also sent over, which is this one is a beautiful gun. This is a model 147, which is a very rare gun in itself, and then to have a rare one with the spoon handle makes it even that much more rare. And this one actually works, but I think it may actually just need a pump cup in there. So I may just stick a pump cup in there for starters to see, because it pumps up with pretty good pressure, but once I get up into the a few, I can actually, about the third or fourth shot, I can start to hear air blowing by but it pumps up with good pressure. It holds pressure, so I may just throw a pump cup in this one. But so that's the 147. So we got a 140, 147, 150 CO2 gun. We've got the Diana, well, the high score. What was the model on that? M819, which is basically a Diana Model 10. Now I opened up one of these the other day, and it was not what I ordered, but hopefully this one will be better. This is so I actually, so I've been talking about getting some mugs for the channel, some coffee mugs for everybody if anybody wants one. Yeah, but I'm trying to get a good good supplier source, so I need to find one that's going to be reliable and send the right thing before I start offering them for sale. But I have been in contact with the seller. They did apologize for the mistake, and they're going to make it right, and they don't even want the other one back. They're just going to send me another one. They still have my artwork. They don't know why it got mixed up, but so I actually ordered this second one before I got the other one in, and it was a mistake. So but what we have is yeah, looks good so far. So that's just some paperwork with it. Be careful I don't drop it. But what we have, and so this is just really, they do have other colors and colors with different colors inside. They do cost more, but I grabbed the white one, but I really like that. So it's got the logo on there that Low Key Air Gunner designed for me, and I really think it fits my channel very well. Not too serious about myself, but really shows what I love to do. So there you go. I got to get some coffee in that guy. Really looks like a nice quality job, and it really shows off that logo that Low Key did for us. So if anybody, this will be one of the one. I don't know if this exact one, it probably won't be this exact one, but this will be one of the giveaways I'm going to do in the Daisy Red Ryder Challenge. If you're wondering about that, go back and look up Christmas giveaway in my playlist a couple of videos back, a week or so ago, and you'll find I'm talking about this t-shirt and the Daisy Red Ryder, and you could win one. So, and if you don't want to wait, send me an email. My email is down below, and I'll get you I'll get one sent over to you, get the information to you on how to order one, and that'll be that. So that's my mail call for today. I gotta get this garage cleaned up. It's starting to get overwhelming here, but hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.